Speaker sir, our question on the illegal scrapyards in Goa. Speaker sir, we all know that these scrapyards are like ticking bombs. Speaker sir, and our Sarkar, this government is encouraging this, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, yeah, the list to get all now here. Now be I can't. They scrap zale. काय दिसते पण सर
Yes.
जे हांवें एक क्वेश्चन विचारलें आनी जे क्वेश्चन मुगेलो पार्ट सी विल द मिनिस्टर हो क्वेश्चन मुगेलो पार्ट सी चेंज केलो. वॉट वॉज द क्वेश्चन? आय वॉन्ट अ क्लॅरिफिकेशन that the question was seeking information on the methodology adopted by the government to ensure that no danger is caused to human and animal lives, environment and forests during transportation and storage of various inflammable products, hazardous waste, tanks carrying poisonous gases, toxic materials, poisonous chemicals, solutions, etc. by the scrapyard operators in Goa. And the speaker sir, he changed केलें मुगे sub question and he changed it to Kortalim centric केलें. कित्या divert केलें दुसरें आता divert केलें कुंकोडे तरी करपा जाय आसलें हे चेंज केलें. एनीवेज स्पीकर सर, कालच्या दिसाक एक न्यूज जालो की एक टँकरान RDX येत गोंयांत आनी बोवाड जालो. कालच्या दिसाक बोवाड जालो. Then it was decided it was a hoax call. Now speaker sir, my very specific question to the minister is whether and what is the method adopted by the government to ensure that no danger is caused to human and animal lives and environment during transportation and storage of various inflammable products, hazardous waste, tanks carrying poisonous gases, toxic materials and poisonous chemicals. Is there any mechanism in place for this?
Speaker sir, as far as the scrapyard policy is concerned, we are in process actually of formulating the policy for the scrapyards. We have total around 380 scrapyards in north as well as in south. Now the question which you have asked, actually this will be taken care with in the policy which we are
So you don't have any methodology?
We don't have any policy at right.
Okay. Speaker sir, आता जे मंत्रीन उत्तर दिला, जे LAQ that whatever he's saying, I have totaled about say. हो सगळो स्क्रॅपयार्डा गेलो हो टोटल इंतू आहा स्पीकर सर इतले एनेक्शनात. आता स्पीकर सर, the LAQ states that and relying on this data, it is collected and data is provided by the Collector North Goa, Collector South Goa, Directorate of Panchayat, DME. I want to put it on records because that all these departments, ये सगळे department they are responsible for controlling these illegalities and pollution for this disaster management. Others, because sir, it is shocking, the answer दिले that 686, total scrapyard he's saying is 389. What total you have given is around 699 scrapyards are there all over Goa, out of which 686 are illegal. And that's because sir, yes, scrapyard hui operate kodai. The answer says the scrapyards are operating illegally in the Comunidad land, residential houses and even in residential areas. Speaker sir, the record provided by this government has stated that approximately 1,58,000 square meters of land is illegally occupied by these scrapyards. 1.5 lakh sumar emi occupy kelam. But the answer also says that the government is not aware of area occupied by sizable number of scrapyards. म्हणजे government सरकार मान्य कोता की 1.5 लाख हा पण हेजा मायजूय जावपा शकता. मायज म्हणजे कितें 3-4 लाखूय जावपा शकता. Speaker sir, therefore it is loud and clear that this government, with the use of the entire government machinery, including collector, municipality, panchayat, is promoting scrapyard mafia in Goa, endangering the lives of lakhs of innocent Goans. Speaker sir, फाल्यां हे स्क्रॅप यार्डात जे हेझर्डस वेस्ट आहा थिंगा टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी जावपा ना
प्रश्न विचारा
टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी जातली with these inflammable products, so many all across the states, these activities are taking place. So I want to ask you, Speaker Sir, ask the Honorable Minister, ki when the collector North Goa and South Goa have given the data of this illegal HIMO, and they are the responsible people to act on it, when will the authorities take action against these illegalities, and why the government has not acted till date on a single scrapyard?
Speaker, sir, as per the information submitted by respective collectors, there are total around 380 scrapyards in Goa. North Goa has 117 scrapyards and South Goa has 210 scrapyards, most of which are operating without obtaining any permission from competent authorities. And most of these scrapyards are situated in private properties. Speaker, sir, in the year 2000, this was actually in the year 2010, Government of Goa notified a scheme, the Goa Waste Scrap Recycling Unit Scheme 2010, wide notification number 3/25/2010, IND, dated 16/4/2010 through Department of Industries. The scheme was meant to orderly establish the scrapyard in the state of Goa within 2 years. The validity of the said scheme actually expired in 2017. It was basically their job to set up this in the industrial state.
So the Trade
Now-
and Commerce Ministry,
Sorry?
Industry Ministry was responsible.
Was
yes.
responsible from
Okay,
2010.
Speaker Sir,
Speaker sir, एकच minute.
I
Speaker sir,
agree
एक
to
minute.
what the
Speaker sir,
minister
एक minute.
says.
just 1 minute. Yeah.
Speaker sir, आमी स्क्रॅप यार्ड पॉलिसी जी आसा ही फायनलायज करपाक घेतल्या आमच्या सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनच्या वतीन.
Speaker Sir, मुगेल मध्ये
एक
एक बारा दिवस ते answer.
Opposite
I'll
leader,
come to
एक
that.
minute.
I'll come to
सांगता,
that.
तू
No,
सांगला तेजेरूच सांगता.
I'll come to that. I'll just give me an assurance. I'm coming to the third supplementary. And Speaker Sir, when this what the माननीय मंत्री सांगता पडे, this issue cropped up in 2008. There was an High Court order. And 2010 जेन्ना एक काँग्रेसाचो सरकार आलो तेन्ना एक पॉलिसी केली. And then the said scheme expired in 2017. 2 वर्सां, Speaker Sir, from 2017 to 2019, the because of public backlash, ye alert zale. And there is currently, Speaker Sir, there is no scheme. Ye scrapyard je hai, Speaker Sir, aaj illegally they are occupying this place. Whether the government, Speaker Sir, will you act against these illegal scrapyards, or will you relocate them? Trade zone करपा जाय म्हणून एक हायकोर्टान आदेश दिल्लो. Have you seen the places where you will relocate them? When will this happen? आमी देवाको मागून रावपाचें की केन्ना जाल्यार एक डेंजर हिंगा जातलें. स्पीकर सर, हें कितें चल्लां? कांय कोऑर्डिनेशन ना, हो सगळो गोलमाल चल्ला. मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगचे टायम फ्रेम आपूण हे टायमा भितर ही पॉलिसी सांगतलो म्हणून, ओ नाजाल्यार हे इलिगल स्क्रॅप यार्ड आहा ते डिमॉलिश करतलो म्हणून.
Speaker, sir, subsequently, after this scheme basically expired as far as the Industries Department is concerned, subsequently the Government of Goa, via Order 3/25/10, IND 92, dated 22/2019, has appointed the Goa Waste Management Corporation as the nodal agency for the purpose of relocating of scrapyards in the state of Goa by either formulating a new scheme or by modifying the earlier notified scheme and all the matters related thereafter.
From 2019, you are with the policy that GSW is doing, your Goa Solid Waste Management.
Yes.
When will this happen?
Now, see, after
When?
that, we had written a letter, prerequisite to formulate a statewide scrap yard policies in the baseline data guidelines from the Goa State Pollution Control Board. Hence, GWMC has requested the Goa State Pollution Control Board to formulate the necessary guidelines, while letter GWMC stroke tech 163 stroke 2021 stroke 656 dated 14/8/2010 and wide reminder letter dated 23/9/20 and 6/1/23. GWMC is awaiting a reply from the Goa State Pollution
So
Control Board.
Speaker sir, मंत्री सांगता की ये scrapyard illegal आहे म्हणून. They want to act. This is a matter of sending a letter from one department to another department. ही letter हुई धाटाय Speaker sir. Spaceak धाटाय. केन्ना हे जातले केन्ना हे जो हे scrapyard तुम्ही regularize कोतले illegal सोटले केसले where this hazardous waste is lying it is a ticking bomb.
Speaker, sir, first and foremost, as far as this policy is concerned, this policy will be framed within 3 months' time.
3 months.
Within 3 months' time. The
So
policy.
you all will relocate them. Have you all identified
No,
any land?
I have spoken to the IDC basically for them to identify a land in all the 12 talukas, especially for setting up this as far as scrapyards are concerned. Now we are in a process. We will be following up with as far as the Industrial Development Corporation is concerned. And we said that minimum land basically for each scrapyard should be an area of 2,000 square meters.
No,
So that will be one of the, in the
Sir,
policy that will be formally.
Because sir, Mantri agrees that there's a policy that needs to come. I need an answer from the Honorable Chief Minister. When? Which areas? He said that they have asked to identify areas. Yeah, area high in the 12 talukas. IDC is involved. Pollution Control Board, he says, is involved. Goa Solid Waste Management is involved. Mukhyamantri Sangche, guide Sangche, he said 3 months. 3 months, policy will be out. But so, for 1 year now, till the policy comes, will he, till the policy comes, Speaker sir, will he...
खूप पयलीं सांगता हांव स्पीकर सर आमी बजेट स्पीचीन हांवें अनावन्स केला की पयले फावटी सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट पॉलिसी आमी हाडटा म्हणून आनी सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट पॉलिसी आमी सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनाच्यान ऑलरेडी ड्राफ्ट केल्या ऑलरेडी ड्राफ्ट केली पॉलिसी आनी तिचें काम सुरवात आसा तेणी जो दुसरो प्रश्न विचारलो इल्लिगल आसात गेली 20-25 वर्सां जाली इल्लिगल आसा ना म्हणना आमी पयले फावटी तेंचेर एक्शन घेवपाक सुरवात जाल्या पयले फावटी आमचे आयदर GST डिपार्टमेंट आनी कलेक्टर आनी पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड ह्या तिगांय कडल्यान सगळ्या जाणांक नोटिसी गेल्या जितकी आतां तेणी 380 म्हटले पळय न्ही 380 जाणांक नोटिसी गेल्यो म्हणजे GSTच्यो गेल्यो परत कलेक्टरा कडल्यान गेल्यो आमच्या रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान गेल्यो तेच्यांनी इल्लिगल यूज आतां हे कोणी केलां म्हाका सांग हे सरकारान करून हांव म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस हांव 20 वर्सां फाटल्या सरकाराकूय दोश दिना हे सुरवात जाता आसतना कन्सर्न कम्युनिटीजांनी केलें किंवा कन्सर्न कोण लँड ओनर आहा पळय न्ही जेंच्यांनी ताका जागा दिता हांगासल्यान सुरवात जाल्ली आसा जेंच्यांनी कोणी तरी जागा दिली
Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री
स्पीकर सर इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट टायम टू टायम हांव म्हणटा ऑफकोर्स त्याच खातीर म्हणटा इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून तर आमी स्क्रॅपयार्ड आमच्या लक्षात येयल्या उपरांत स्क्रॅपयार्ड पॉलिसी करपाक त्या खातीर घेतले आमी आनी त्या खातीर जे इल्लिगल करता ताका नोटिसीस इश्यू सुरवात केल्या तुवें म्हणटा जे पळय न्ही रेजिडेन्शियल एरियेन आतां ती पूर्ण सगळीच बंद करपाक जाय IDC एरियेन ती शिफ्ट जावपाक जाय IDC तांकां जागा लोकेट करपाक जाय अदरवायज इंडस्ट्रियल झोन जर प्रायवेट सेक्टरांत लँड आसा इंडस्ट्रियल झोन घेवन तेच्यांनी रिसायकलिंग सुरवात करपाक जाय स्टोर करून दवरपाक न्हू मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे स्टोर करून दवरला ते स्टोर करून दवरपाक न्ही आणि बाकीचे सगळे
कितले महिने लागतले जावपाक
पॉलिसी जी आहा पळय न्ही पॉलिसी तांणी म्हटल्या त्या प्रमाणे 3 महिन्यांनी पॉलिसी जातली
And as far as setting
When will
up
they be relocated?
as
Will
far
they
as
be relocated?
पळय 3 महिन्यान पॉलिसी जाल्या उपरांत आमी स्टेप बाय स्टेप तांकां आतांच नोटिसी धाडल्या तेंच्यांनी एक तर प्रायवेट इंडस्ट्रियल लँड पळोवची अदरवायज तेंच्यांनी IDC कडेन एप्रोच करून लँड घेवच्यो आणि ताका रिलोकेट करपाक आमी सुरवात करता
Yes,